So today I will recreate the Twitter login homepage. This is what it looks like, and now I will recreate it inside my HTML file and CSS file. So the first thing I will do is set the HTML title to Twitter homepage. Then I will create a div with the ID container. Inside this div, I will create another div with the ID left side. For the left side, I will separate those and create a left side and a right side and a footer. So we'll have the container, left side, div ID right side, and I will also create a div with the ID footer for the footer. Alright, now I will set the HTML height to 100%, set the body also to have a height of 100% and a margin of 0 and auto. Now I will style the container, set the height to 100%, and now I will just start with the left side. Set the display to grid, also set the height to 100%, display grid template column. So we have, how many columns do I need for one side? Probably just one, 1, 2, 3, but I will just do, let's see how it looks with repeat 6, 1 FR. I'm sorry, no. Oh yes, I also need to set the grid template rows to maybe, I don't know, how many rows would I need? 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 maybe. I don't know. Let's just do 10, 1 FR. See what it looks like. And there we have it. Okay. I will just check something real quick. Maybe I can actually set it to 8 and this one to 12. Fuck. Yes, so I think this is better. I don't know. Let's just keep it and start. Finally. I've already restarted this recording like 4 times. Copy all of this for the right side. And yeah, we don't need the footer right now. Alright, so we will first yes, we will first create a div with the ID background, I think. Maybe, let's just do it. This can actually stay closed. I don't know if there's a better way, but I will just do it like this. Background grid area will be this is the middle line, so we will actually do it from 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we'll start at the first row, go to the 5th column, stay in the 12th row, and first column, and go to the 5th column. And we also set the background color to have the exact same color as this Twitter thing here. As this one. So this is what it looks like. We'll also set the min height maybe. Also set the overflow Y to hidden so we don't see the scroll bar. Alright. Maybe we will just let it stay like this. Alright. Also, this will go to the 13th row. And now we have not the same background color. I think this one. Yeah, this is it. Alright. Now we have this. Now I will create this text here. So we go to our left side ID, create 3 p tags with, first 3 image tags with the ID image1, and the source will be image, I think I called them Twitter1, yes, Twitter-1 .png. We will copy all of this and paste it 3 times, change this to 3 and 2, 3 and 2, 2 and 3 I mean, and there we have these pictures. And now we will get all of these IDs, 1, 2, 3, image 1, image 2, and image 3. Select all of them, add the curly braces, the grid area, and we will change the grid area to be, where is this? This is this cell. Alright, so the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th row and 2nd column. So 5th row, 2nd column, we will stay in the 5th row and we will stay in the 2nd column. And it works. Alright, just copy this and change 1 row to be 7, 6, 6, 7, and there we have it. Alright, I've just screenshotted these little SVG images because I can't actually download them because they're a SVG file. So I just did a screenshot with Jing, and I will just add this. The color is this way because of the bird in the background, which I will also add in a second. But first I will create the 3 paragraphs. So this is the first one, second one, third one. And I will just copy the text, follow your interests. I will hear what people are talking about. No, thank you. And join the conversation. Also, no, thank you. And then we have this. Now we just need to set the ID for everything. So P1, copy this, P2, P3. So hashtag hashtag P1, hashtag P2, hashtag P3. Select all of them, curly braces, grid area. And the grid area will probably just be the same, I think. Yes, okay. And okay. This looks pretty good right now. We can also give all of these PIDs, P tags a class of P minus styling maybe. So we don't have to style everything twice, thrice I mean. P styling, font size maybe 20 pixels, I don't know. Nope. Also remove the margin. Set the font weight to bold. I have no idea which font family they are using. I don't know if I actually have this in VS Code. Font family, does this work? Oh, it works, nice. All right. Also set the color to be white. And there we have it. I think my font size is actually a bit too big. What font size do they have? Hello? Font size? Font size? Alright, this is a bit too complicated for me. I think 18 looks right. I can still change it if it isn't the right one. And also I need to set the second row column to be one more. So 3 3. No. To start at the second row. Oh right. No, it was right. Oh, I need to set it to 4. I'm sorry. Now, so it actually overlaps to the next cell. And now we can style it with justify content to center, I think. No, justify self maybe. Yes, but no, not align self center. No. So we have the vertical center, not the horizontal. So now it's in the center. Also do the same. Wait, we don't actually need to do this. We can just add it inside here. Yes. Also, if we need to do it for the images. And set the margin left to be maybe 50 pixels. This does look pretty good. But I still think it's the wrong font size. They have a weird font size, man. 19 maybe? I think 19 looks right. I think their font weight is also a little bit lighter, but fuck it. Alright, so now I can add the bird image ID bird src image / Twitter logo minus svg .svg. I'm sorry. There we have it. This bird needs to be grid area to be from the grid area from the first row, from the first column to the 5th row. Oh no, 12, right? Yes, 13th row and 5th column. Also, we need to set the height to be 130%. Yeah, this looks good. But we also need to set the z-index to be... Can I actually do -1? Oh, nice. But not -1, but just 0. Z-index. Z-index 1. Also z-index 1, z-index 1, z-index 1. Yes. And I somehow need to get this bird to be margin bottom 50 pixels. Does this work? I need to set it to get out of the screen. But how? Why doesn't margin work? Alright, I will look into this, but I mean, we have this now, which looks pretty close in my opinion. Alright, so we have the left side now. Now we will create the right side. And for the right side, I also need a background, which will just be white. So this bird doesn't actually... Wait a second. Right. Background R, background L, background R, and background L. Oh, of course, I need to set the grid area. This will start from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th column and second row to go to the 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. To the 9th row and stay there. But why doesn't it work? I don't know, man. What am I missing again? I don't get it, man. Okay. I hope this is enjoyable for you, because for me it isn't. And I don't get it. What's wrong? What the fuck? I know I have this thing here, but why doesn't it work? Can't I just so I have the same grid twice. Once for the left side. Of course, the left side has also this whole thing, and also the right side has this whole thing. But why can't I see the red one when I set the Z index to fucking a million? What if I just do this? Still won't work. What if I just remove all of this and just have one main area? Because I can't seem to get it to work. I don't know why. Remove all of this. This does work, really? Fuck you, man. Okay, so it will start at it will start at the first row, the 5th column, and go to the 9th. Nope. No. Holy fuck. Okay, but Z index does need to stay. 1 does 1. Okay. Now we can change it to white. Okay. Man, this is... I actually thought this would be easy, but it seems that this is the hardest one, and I don't know why. Maybe my brain is a little bit fried right now, but it's really a challenge, man. It's really a challenge. Okay, where's this grid? Okay, so now we will do this area. Okay, it's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th column and 5th row. Okay, I've already forgot it, but who cares? Okay, so image ID Twitter or bird small, src image Twitter logo .png. I could actually still use the second the SVG a second time, but I just won't. Bird minus small grid area. So what did I just say? The 7th column and 5th row. So we'll start at the 5th row, the 7th column, stay in the 5th row, and also stay in the 7th column. And we don't have anything. because the height should be maybe 35 pixels. And the Z index probably needs to be 2 now. Yes. But it needs to be the 6th column. And there we have this logo. It's still a bit bigger. This is too big. This looks good. It's not the same color, but I think I can even change it. Color. I think it needs to be background color, right? Perfect. Alright, we will keep it this color. Okay. Now we need to get this p tag. So create a p tag with the ID. I have no idea. Right text maybe. Right text. Grid area. The same probably, just the 6th column. And also Z index 2. And also 7th column. 8? Yes. Okay, font size needs to be maybe 28 pixels. Also the same font family. Font weight will be bold. And this looks almost right. We now need to set the BR tag, so we have the right line break. Now we need to create the join Twitter paragraph. PID join text. Can just copy all of this and change the row to be the 7th row, and the font size to be maybe 20 pixels. Yeah, we also need to change the ID, of course. Join text. This is a bit smaller, maybe 16 pixels. Maybe 15 pixels. I think this looks right. Alright, and now we need 2 buttons. So go back to the HTML file. Button ID, what does it say? Sign in and log in. Sign up. Sign up. Sign up. And another button with the ID log in. Right? Log in, sign up. Okay. So this needs to ID sign up, grid, and ID login. So the grid area will be almost the same in the next row, and this one will be in the 9th row. And also the Z index needs to be 2. Also, if you don't know what Z index is, it's the it's like layers, you know. The second index is the Z index 0 is like the basic layer, and if you set the Z index of an element to be 1, the element will be above the basic layer. So if I put the Z index 2, for example, this here is, what is this? The bird, Z index 0. So this is the basic layer. On top of this basic layer is this one, the white one. And on top of the white one is this one, the sign up. So yes, if I change it to 1, it will disappear. It won't. We can actually change everything to 1, I think. Yes. So this is the second, the basic layer, and this is the one above it. And this is also above the white layer, or it's just on the layer normally. So yes, this was a little tutorial which probably no one understood, but yeah. Alright, so we have the right side, and now we need to get this one. So create 2 input fields, or maybe first the p tag for, oh no, yeah, we can do this. Phone number, email address, phone number, email address, ID, input text 1. We also need this input text 2, which is password, and forgotten your password. We also need this one. Can you stop? Alright, you can't. Forgotten your password? Forgotten your password. Okay. Forgot text. We also need a button with the ID login, probably. Login 2 maybe. And this just says login. Okay. And now we need the input fields. Input type text. Recreate this inside here. No placeholder or anything. We will just add another ID for the password and an ID for the email. Okay, I think we have everything now. First row and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so input text 1 and 2. Copy this. Enter the ID. Grid area. It will start at the first row. In the 6th column, first row, and the 6th column. And this one will go to the 7th column, and this should look almost perfect if we had the Z index. I'm almost tempted to just give everything for the right side a class with Z index, but let's just keep it this way. I don't know. Right, and we also need to set the input ID and the password to also have the same grid area. Right, and also the Z index. There it is. Alright, now we need to set the height to be maybe 30 pixels. There we have it. And set the align self to flex and no align just end? No. Oh, align self. Now do the same for the password. Now we have this. Also set the width to be 90% maybe. Yeah, I think this works. Yeah, this works. And now we need to remove the border style none for now. So we have no border. We can actually set the border bottom to have maybe 3 pixels, solid and gray, but not this gray, but this gray. And not 3, but maybe 2. Is this also too thick? I don't know. Can I actually copy the color? Border. No. Nah. Alright, let's just wait, what's our color? It's a bit too dark. Maybe like this. I have the feeling nothing really changed, but who cares? Let's just keep it this way. So now we have this. Background color, RGB. Maybe I can set the width also to 90 pixels. Almost 91% maybe. Perfect. Okay. Oh, okay. Yes. Now we can actually set the padding to be maybe 5 pixels. So what the fuck is this? What if I set the Z index to be 2? No, okay. Damn, this color is really annoying. Oh. The background color isn't actually... Oh, this works. This looks perfect. Oh man. Remove the background color from the paragraph. Ah, because of the padding, alright. What if I just set it to 10 pixels? Alright, I will just create another div with the ID background 1, background color will be this, grid area, Z index. Okay, so we have this now. Do I actually need to create two? I think so. Let's just do it. All right, 7, 7. Okay. Now we can remove this background color and can I set the height to be 50 pixels? I can. Okay, we almost have it. The width also needs to be 90%, 91% actually. Copy all of this. And we almost have it, boys. We almost have it. It's 60 maybe. It's not 60. It's 55. Okay. This will be good enough, I think. But I can still set the margin left to be 5 pixel. Copy this. Okay. I think I can also, okay, first I will, it's still too fucking dark, and now it's too light. This looks good. Okay. I can't. Fuck, man. Now, why is the color now like this? Huh? Why is the color different? This makes no sense. Okay. Can someone please explain to me why this is a different color, even though I've copied the exact same thing? This seems to be really weird. But okay, I mean, let's go on. Okay, now we will create the login. Oh, first the forgot text button. Yeah, forgot text. It's actually a h tag. href nothing a. So it's automatically blue. Forgotten text. Was forgot text? Forgot text. Forgot minus text. Grid area, z index will be second row, and this should be it. Yes. I just need to get the blue color. I think this is the one. Color. No, it's not the same one, but hello? Here is it. Okay, this should be the same color now. Yes. We need to remove the text decoration to none, so the underline is gone. And also we need this font family. And change the font size to be 10 pixels maybe, I don't know. Nope. 14 pixels maybe. I think it's also not right. 13. Yeah, we will keep this. We will set the margin to be 5 pixels to the left, or even more, maybe 10, and margin top also 10 pixels. Yeah, this looks okay. Maybe 8. 8. Okay. Where do they have all their font colors? Is this the font color? This didn't change anything. Oh, I'm retarded. Okay, now. Now we will create the login button. The ID is login2 because we already have one login button. The grid area will be in the first row and the 8th column. And of course, my friends, the Z index will be 1. And there we have it. We just need to change the height to be maybe 35 pixels. I think even more. 40. Align self center. Like this. The width will be 50% maybe. No. 40% maybe. yes. Border style none. Background color white. Change the font size. And I think it's the same blue, so we can just change the color to this. And the font weight to bold. The font size needs to be maybe 20 pixels. I think it's too much. A little bit, maybe 16. This looks good. And now we can set the border 1 pixel solid and this blue. And now the border radius to be 5 pixel. No, a bit more, maybe 15 pixel. No, still a bit more, maybe 25 pixel. Almost, I think the width can actually be a bit smaller. And wow, this is almost perfect. Nice. Okay. So what now? Actually, oh no, wait. But I still fucked up. This needs to be at the same row as this text. So we go back to bird small and just change this to 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 and 10. Oh, I'm retarded. This needs to be 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 and 8 8. And now we have this. We also join text and write text. Write text margin 0, because this actually fucks with my height. Now it looks better. Align self at the end. Also, the background 1 and background 2 can be 60 pixels. Maybe even 65. No, 63. Okay. Now we can style these buttons. So first the sign up, I can actually copy almost everything. Oops. Yes. So the width will be 100%, or not 100%, but 80%. Yes. And we need to invert the colors, so background color will be this one and the font color will be white. Yes. Then we can copy all of this again and do the same for this one. But here we can keep the background color white and change the font color to this blue. Also, we can remove the margin from the top by minus 20 pixels maybe. Just like this. Okay. I mean, it does look pretty close, right? I mean, of course, this is absolutely fucked. I have no idea how they did this. And if I had a little bit more time, I would actually redo it. And yes. Also, I still need the footer, which we will do now. For the footer, what do I do there? I think I can actually just wait, how did I do this now? Main. Okay, I can create another row with 50 pixels. This should be this. Oh, it's the perfect size. And the footer can actually also go in there. Yeah. Okay, then we need to just style the footer. Z index 1. Background color white. And of course I need the grid area, which is the 13th row, the first column, stay 13th row, and 9th column. Right, so we have this, and now we will create a p tag with id footer links. And can we copy all of this? Yes, we can. I actually can just keep it like this, right? And because this makes it easier to just create an href out of all of these. ID f link. Oh, I don't think I actually need an ID. I can just use a class f link, and why I don't get it. What the fuck is he doing? What the fuck is going on? Huh? Holy fuck. Fucking hell, man. Okay. Now we have this. Oof. And class F link. Font family. Text decoration none. This isn't even the same color. It's this one. Color. Perfect. Okay, font size will be 14 pixels maybe. Yeah, this does look about right. And we will change the footer to be a display Flexbox. And now I need my code snippet, and I need justify content self, I think. Justify content center. This wasn't it. Why not? Oh, okay. You can't use Flexbox. Now I can just say margin left 10 pixels, and this should be about right. But this is a bit retarded. Class F minus link help. And there we have it, boys. There we have it. Okay. Just give me a second and I will try to actually position this and get this to look exactly like this. But I will explain it. Okay. So I actually got the bird image to be in the same position, almost in the same position and the same size. I had to change display to inline block, and instead of margin bottom 100 pixel, I had to change it to margin top minus 100 pixel and margin left minus 50 pixel, and now it looks like this. But I've just found out that this isn't even centered really. If you look at the real side, it's in this position. And now just hold your finger on your screen and go to, and I will go to this side, and you can see this should actually be here. So we will do this and also change it on the right side. I have no idea how we will do this on the right side, but let's just do the first on the left side. So, and also we need to push it more to the right side. But first we will do this P1. Okay, so grid area, the row will be the 6th row, 7th row, 8, save it, and it's almost right. We now just need to set the align self to start, and this looks already way better. Now we also need to set the images to the right row. Also set the align self to start. Okay, also we need to set the margin. Margin left maybe 65 pixels. A bit more, maybe 75 pixels. Even more, okay, maybe 100. Yeah, this is right. Also, we need to oh, okay, margin left in here, not 100 but 80 maybe, no, 70, no, 50. Yeah, this is better. Add it also here and here. And now we need to set this back down. Actually, we don't wait. Yeah, we need to move this a bit down. So the button was login and sign up. Grid area 8 and 9. Also the join tags need to be in the 7th row. Yes, this is already better, but still not quite right. I can actually move the grid now first. Okay, first I need to style this so it has a bit of margin to the left. Margin left 30 pixels. Fuck. Yeah, this is okay. Also do the same for this and this. Also do the same for this and this. Okay, now we need to set the text one row below, so 6 and 6, just like this, and get the bird also one more row down like this, and this looks already way better than before, in my opinion. But yeah, we can remove the margin left maybe to 25 pixels. Yes, also better. And now I really want to get this to look exactly like here. I have no idea how, but oh, I know. Wait. I know why this isn't the same color, because I'm so stupid. Holy fuck. Where is it? Right, I check, this is the input field, right? Input field, email, password. No, here. No, wait. What is this now? Input. Oh yeah, it's input text. This is the input field. Yeah, the background color, as you can see, has this transparency. So this actually goes through the other color and makes it appear dark. So I just need to remove both of these. Or I don't. Can I actually set it to 0? Oh yeah, this works. Okay. We solved it, man. We solved it. Okay, now we have this. I will actually just keep it in the same position. I won't change the position, but something doesn't add up. Actually, I have. What does he have? Adder. Okay, like this. I have to change the position because this will look really weird. Because this is in line, this has to be in line with this, but it isn't. So just change the margin left to 35. This does look pretty close, to be honest. So change the margin here, also the margin here, and also the margin here, here, and here. Also here, and also here. Okay, now I need to set the margin for the input text to be maybe 40 I mean. So we have this little gap, which we kind of have, and also change the background height maybe back to 60. Yes. This looks now pretty good. And now I want to change the focus thing, or active, or whatever you call it. So input text dot focus, color blue, just to see if it works. All right. I think I can't even change this without JavaScript. So let's just do the email focus border bottom blue. Does this work? Yes, okay, this works. I just need the same color, which is this one. Also, I will do the same for the password. There we have it, boys. Why? Okay, I mean, maybe I will do this. I don't know. Can I? Nah. Okay, let's keep it this way. Okay, guys. I think we are finished. You can judge my HTML and CSS skills if you want. Also, please give me feedback. I really would love to have better quality code, so give me feedback. say what I did wrong, what I could do better, everything. Alright, first you can see the difference. So this is my side, this is the real side. Not that much of a difference, right? I mean, the bird isn't in the right position. This is still not in the right position, but it's pretty close. It looks pretty good in my opinion. Alright, so thank you for watching. I hope you could learn something. Leave a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe. I also recreated the Google homepage, the DuckDuckGo and Facebook homepage, and the link is in the description. Thank you.